Speeding up cleaning without sacrificing results starts with working smarter, not harder. Use a systematic 3-zone approach and work from top to bottom so you avoid re-cleaning areas. Pick multi-surface cleaners that match the soils you face and dilute them according to manufacturer guidance to keep them effective and safe. For stubborn grout, use a drill brush attachment on a variable speed drill at low to medium speed and let the cleaning solution dwell for 3 to 5 minutes before scrubbing so the chemistry breaks down grime. Keep the drill moving to avoid overheating the brush. Make small habit changes like squeegeeing shower walls and glass after each use and wiping counters while items are being put away so maintenance happens in short bursts rather than long sessions. Use 2 microfiber cloths per task, one for applying cleaner and one for drying and polishing, and launder them frequently to avoid redepositing soils. Schedule focus sessions of no more than 40 minutes with a timer and a checklist to maintain pace and prevent perfectionism from turning a quick job into an all-day chore. Common mistakes slow people down and reduce quality, so watch for them and correct them quickly. Rushing without letting cleaners work is common and leads to extra scrubbing. Pause for the recommended dwell time, and the work becomes easier. Using the wrong tool or worn tools wastes effort. Replace flat mops and squeegees when they fray and choose a drill brush with dense but flexible bristles for grout to balance agitation and surface care. Finally, cleaning without containment spreads soils around. Use drop cloths or shoe covers and clean high dust first so lower surfaces do not get dirty again. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a space where we can share project experiences and ask questions. We help contractors find work and help homeowners find potential partners, while our discussion community lets us learn from each other.